Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a quick review from Mellow Hair Wigs. If you're interested in learning more about this unit, go ahead and continue to watch. So this is my second day rocking this unit. As you guys can tell, I went ahead and changed the part to a side part, and I'm feeling a lot more in my element, and I'm definitely feeling this hair more. Another thing that I did aside from the demo is I added product. In the demo, I just simply use water, so that's the natural texture of this unit. So I had to fluff her out a little bit. Again, this is the hair 100% dry. Let me go ahead and spin around and give you guys a really quick 360. Product definitely makes a difference on certain curlier hair textures. So if you guys are interested in knowing what products that I use on this hair, then just stay tuned to my channel because I will be doing an updated curly hair routine video. But with all that being said, I know you guys want to know about this unit, right? So let's hop right into my review on this wig. As I mentioned, and you guys seen on the title, this is a unit from Mellow Hair Wigs. This is a company that's newer to me, but I went ahead and did my research on this company, and it's definitely a accredited human hair company. And your girl, oh, I'm definitely vouching for them because so far this unit is, you know, it's making me feel some kind of way. I love the quality of the hair thus far. Again, I'm only on day 2. This is their deep wave human hair lace front wig, and it is a 14-inch bob. I have it in 150% density, and you guys seen that density. It's nice. This is like the perfect kind of unit that you will want to wear to transition into the summer and, you know, rock it all out through the summer. Or this is just a perfect everyday wig for any day and any occasion. So of course I did go ahead and customize the hairline more to my liking. It does come pre-plucked, but I like to go in and customize my wigs to suit my hairline more, so I went ahead and did that. And like, you know, she's hitting for something. I didn't bleach the knots. I simply used my Even New York lace tint. I have been raving about that tint on my channel so much. I slept in this unit. I'll insert a clip of what I did before I went to bed. I just put it up into a ponytail and I tied the hairline down, and boom, sis is still laid and everything. The hair wasn't tangled at all when I took it out the little pineapple. I did shampoo it and deep condition it, and it didn't shed a lot. And throughout my styling process, I do go in with a paddle brush after spritzing the hair down with water, and I detangle it, and I also look for shedding then. And it didn't shed a lot at that point either. So I'm definitely going to give this hair a 2 thumbs up rating for that. Now, getting this unit and taking it out the package, it did have a strong chemical smell. And I was alarmed at first, but then again, I was like, okay, oh, you know what to do. So I went ahead and I washed the hair and I deep conditioned it to see if that would be enough to get the chemical like smell to subside, and it did. The shipping for this wig took about a good, I want to say 5 days to get to me, and that's pretty good considering the pandemic that we're going through. So I have no complaints in that department. So if you guys want to order this unit, I will leave a link to Mellow Hair Wigs down below in my description box. I believe this unit retails for about $90, but if you are interested in any of their bob wigs, their bobs start at about $50 a unit, depending on the length and texture that you choose. So yes, if I had to tell you guys how long I would predict that this wig would last, of course, you have to take proper care of your units, and that means limiting how much you sleep in them, and also wrapping it up and, you know, getting it out the way when you do sleep in them. Because, you know, some people don't like to take their wigs off every night, so just make sure you're tying your hair up properly. So with all that, and definitely with curly hair, the #1 key to helping your curly hair last for a good amount of time is making sure that you wash it and co-wash it according to its needs. Some units need to be co-washed like maybe once to 3 times a week, depending on how maintenance the hair is. This is only my 2nd day wearing this wig, but I feel like this wig will be a pretty low maintenance curly texture because it's a deep wave texture and the curls aren't super tight. So you can brush it out and get a really full look, or you can tame it, or you can just wet it. So you can, it's pretty versatile. So I don't see you having to wash this hair maybe more than once a week, and you should be good. I think that this unit will probably last you maybe, I mean, at least a good year, I would think, with proper care. But anywho, let me know how you feel about this wig. I would like to know your thoughts. Have you ever tried this company, or have you ever heard about it? Let me know down below in the comment section, and feel free to share my videos with anyone who would rock this style. And if you aren't a part of the OhSo gang, I would love to have you a part of the fam. You can do that by subscribing to my channel. Please turn on your notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next video.